A company making new challenges for customers' success. Inspiration in technology. Pioneering new ways of success through endless research and advanced technology. Hyundai Wia Machine Tools. Hyundai Wia, founded in 1976, is leading the domestic industrial machinery business through advanced technology and accumulated know-how. With business areas including machine tools, automobile parts, machinery business, and defense products. Especially, the machine tools business plays a key role in developing Hyundai Wia as a global top brand. Hyundai Wia Machine Tools, with its principle of quality first, possesses the largest manufacturing capacity in Korea. By providing CNC turning centers, machining centers, and factory automation, Hyundai Wia is raising its status as a global machine tool manufacturer. Over 100 different types of CNC turning centers are manufactured with the best productivity and precision, which can satisfy all customer needs. Also, over 70 different types of vertical, horizontal machining centers are developed and manufactured in perfection. Hyundai Wia Machine Tools lineup include high-quality CNC turning centers, 5-axis machining centers, high-rigidity vertical machining centers, high-speed horizontal machining centers, and more. Hyundai Wia Machine Tools will enhance customer value with top quality and performance in all industrial fields, including automobile parts, IT, shipbuilding, energy, aerospace, and more. Hyundai Wia FA System is leading the global powertrain market. FA System is supplied to global automobile manufacturers such as Hyundai Motor Group and to manufacturers in emerging markets. Especially, Hyundai Wia FA System provides customized machines to match customers' various production methods and optimize manufacturing lines to enhance product quality and productivity. The best products from the best manufacturing system. From year 2011, Hyundai Wia Machine Tools constructed a world-class manufacturing line and improved the working environment for quality innovation. Also, variety of world-class equipment are used for new model and machine unit evaluation to achieve perfect quality. Meanwhile, at R&D centers located in Changwon, Uiwang, and Raunheim, Germany, top researchers from around the globe are accelerating to develop the latest high-tech machine tools technology. By concentrating investment on prior technology developments such as high-precision, high-speed aerostatic spindle, CNC Hyundai iTroll, and more, Hyundai Wia is taking up challenges to lead the global machine tools technology trend. Hyundai Wia operates technical centers in Changwon and Uiwang for purposes such as new model exhibition, cutting demonstration, customer consultation, education, after-service, and more, offering total solutions to valuable customers. To provide top service to customers, Hyundai Wia is increasing after-service staff employment and expanding domestic and international parts supply chain. Dealing with immediate customer demands by reinforcing service network. Also, real-time machine monitoring system helps to solve customer problems instantly, delivering customer satisfaction. With global major branches in China, America, Europe, and India, Hyundai Wia is continuously making new challenges to become a top global machine tools manufacturer with over 120 sales and service networks all over the world. By participating in global exhibitions such as IMTS, EMO, CIMT, SIMTOS, Hyundai Wia is building relationships with customers and becoming a top machine tools brand loved by people around the world. Perfection in every machine. A company making tomorrow's success. The key for future technology. Hyundai Wia.